This is Ben Brown with morethanguitar.com, here to teach you how to play the quintessential I Might Be Dumb But I Love You Anyway song, Wonderful World by Sam Cooke. Mr. Cooke, of course, had a full orchestra and band behind him, but we're going to learn it on acoustic guitar so that you can sing it to the young lady of your choice as God intended. Ladies, if you want to learn this and sing it to your guy, that might work too, but let's face it, the whole I might be dumb but I love you scenario is usually a guy singing to a girl. The chords are pretty simple. It's what we call a basic 1-6-4-5 progression. I'm going to sneak a little theory in on this lesson. The first chord's a G. The one chord also is a G by strange coincidence because we're in the key of G. We're going to let the first finger hang on this one. Middle finger goes over, gets the 5th string on the 2nd fret. Ring finger goes on the 6th string, 3rd fret. And the pinky goes on the 1st string, 3rd fret. And you play all 6 strings. To go from here to the E minor chord, which you're going to do a lot in this song, you're going to leave your middle finger right where it is, pick up the other 3 fingers, and put your ring finger right now. You might have to shift it down a little bit, but your ring finger goes right next to it on the 4th string, 2nd fret. Play all 6 strings still. To go from there to the C chord, your ring finger is going to move up to the 5th string, 3rd fret. Your middle finger is going to shift over to the 4th string, 2nd fret, and your 1st string is going to come down on the 2nd string, 1st fret. You're going to play 5 strings. Now for the D chord, I'm going to bring this one, the ring finger, over to the 2nd string, 3rd fret. The middle finger is going to go to the 1st string, 2nd fret, and the first finger, the index finger, is going to slide up to the 3rd string, 2nd fret. You're going to play 4 strings. The rhythm I'm using is one I love. It's kind of a bossa nova rock pattern. I'm mostly hitting the root on one, but if I get some of the rest of the chord, it doesn't matter. Just got the 5th on that one. And then I'm doing a really fast arpeggio. Now the difference between an arpeggio and a strum is a strum, you're trying to make it all sound at the same time. On a piano or other instruments, you can hit all the keys at once and get them exactly at the same time. On a guitar, all you can do is get close. So we're going to slow that down and play an arpeggio or a chord one note at a time. And then immediately come up on those higher strings. So it gives us sort of a Latin-y feel. So your steady beat's going to be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. No problem. So, root, arpeggio, up. Root, arpeggio, up. Root. Now remember to change your root notes. On C, the E doesn't sound quite right, but it doesn't kill anything. But if you do that on the D, it's going to really mess things up. So, 5th string root on the C, and a 4th string root on the D. Now I threatened you with a little bit of theory. We're playing the G, that's the one chord, because we're in the key of G. So if you go from G, G, A, B, G, A, B, C, D, the next one is E, so E minor is our 6th chord. You go G, A, B, C, C is the 4 chord, and of course D is the 5 chord. Now, the one thing I've left out is the intro I played, the G, same rhythm we're doing for the rest of the song. All I'm doing is I'm playing 3 notes on the E string. Walking down to that root on 1 for the E minor. Really simple. Now I don't claim being a student, but I'm trying to be, oh maybe by being. Now I changed the rhythm a little bit on the bridge. We're going to leave out the arpeggio and make it a stronger strum. Now I don't claim being a student, but the keep the Latin feel going, we're doing the strong 1 beat that we've been doing, 1 and 2 and 3, and then we're going to hit the and a 2. Those are the main 2. If you get some other notes in there, it's fine. Now, I don't claim to be an A student, but I'm trying to be. Oh, maybe by being an A student, maybe oops, forgot the A7 chord. You're going to play the A7. Since you're already on the G, you're just going to slide your middle finger over to the 4th string, 2nd fret, and your ring finger goes on the 2nd string, 2nd fret, and you're going to play 5 strings. I could win your love for me. This is Ben Brown with morethanguitar.com, and this has been How to Play Wonderful World by Sam Cooke. A word of wisdom: if you sing I love you to someone, they tend to believe it. So please, perform responsibly. Please check the links below for other helpful videos and video lessons, and don't forget to leave questions in the comment area if you have any questions, if I've left something out or you just don't understand something. And thank you for watching.